Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can add credit card as a payment method on Shopify so that you can start receiving payments and more. Okay, in a few seconds, I'm gonna be showing you how you can add credit card as a payment method. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, of course, you wanna log into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first thing. Now I'm going to log in into my Shopify store here. Okay. Alright, now what you guys need to add a credit card as a payment method, click on settings at the very bottom left, okay? And you wanna click on where it says payments, okay? Click on payments. Now, if you live in United States, okay, you live, for example, in United Kingdom, or you live in countries where Shopify payments are accepted, okay? Now, if you activate Shopify payments, you will be able to accept payment from Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, this one, ShopPay, Apple Pay, and also Google Pay, okay, and Meta Pay. Now, that's the beauty of activating Shopify payments. Now, this is if you live in a country where the Shopify payments are accepted. Okay, now there are these are countries where you can activate Shopify payments. Okay, now Shopify payments are available countries, as you can see: Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Ireland, Italy. Now there are a lot of countries okay, where you can use Shopify payments. Now, if you can see Shopify payments in the top here, that means the country you live in right now accepts Shopify payments. Okay, as you can see here, guys, you just need to click on complete account setup, and you can then enter all the information, your SSN. If you live in the United States, it will be required to add your SSN there and stuff like that. Now, let's say that you don't live in the United States. And as you can see, you can add here PayPal. Okay, so all you need to do, guys, you want to click on add payment method. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click on add payment method, and here you want to search for credit card, for example. Okay, credit card. Now you can select here if you want to accept Visa, if you want to accept MasterCard, you want to accept another payment method. Now, for now, I'm just going to I want to receive Visa and MasterCard payments. Now, after you select the payment methods, you will see here, as you can see, providers that offer these payment methods, because you can't just add a credit card. You can just add your credit card number and expect to get the payments. Okay, you need to use a provider that allow you to accept these payment methods. You understand me? Providers including, for example, Stripe, including Bankful, as you can see. Now, after you find the provider that you want to use, then you need to create an account on their website, and then you want to add there your own credit card so that you can start receiving payments, not on Shopify. Okay, now after you, for example, let's say that you want to use Bankful, okay, because they will allow you to receive payments with Visa and MasterCard and American Express. If you click on Bankful, you need to click on install, and then you want to create an account on Bankful, and you want to add your personal information, your address, everything they ask you. You need to enter the information so that you can accept payments, like you can accept these payments that you have selected, which is the MasterCard and Visa cards. Okay, I don't know, guys, if you understand exactly what I mean, but this is a really easy. You just need, for example, you want to accept Visa, search for Visa, and then that's it. You want to accept other payment methods. After you select all payment methods that you want to accept, then you will see here the list of providers that allow you guys to do that. You can just choose any provider you want, and then search on YouTube, for example, let's say Bankful. You want to search on YouTube for how to connect Bankful to Shopify, or how to create an account on Bankful to link with Shopify. Okay, that's something like this, and then you will be able to access payments. Okay guys, I hope guys this video helps you. If it does, leave a like. If it doesn't help you, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.